Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tuesday session. I'm Lakshana, working as a software development engineer with Cloud Assert. So last week we saw about CSP integration with Hyper, and today we'll be looking into the hybrid cloud management. So basically, we'll be able to manage on-premise public and private clouds with Hyper. So today I'll walk you through how to configure the Azure cloud with Hyper. So for that I have to navigate to vConnect, in which I'll be having a set of cloud platforms where we'll be finding Azure, Azure Stack, AWS, and on-premises like vCenter, System Center, etc. So today, so let me create an AWS connection. So when we get into this AWS connection, we need to create the connection which requires these things to be filled in. So I'm giving the connection name as demo. So in order to create the AWS connection, we need to give the connection name, the access ID, the key the AWS access key ID, the VPC ID, the subnet ID, and the region. So I'm creating the connection right now. So the connection has been successfully created. So this is how the AWS connections can be created via Hyper. So this is how we can configure the clouds, Azure, Azure Stack, and AWS by creating these connections. And once after it, we will be able to manage even the on-premise virtual machines. So in that we have a vCenter, System Center, etc. So in order to create a vCenter connection, we will need to get into the vCenter, and we have those connections here. So let me create the vCenter connection. Providing the connection name, server URL, username and password. We'll move on to the next wizard, in which we'll be giving the VMware data center, from then the VMware cluster, and the backup provider in which you need Veeam or Commvault. Once after selecting it, you can save it. So that's how the vCenter connection sample will be created. So you see certain buttons here like discover, edit, sync, delete. So the sync is an option which will enable you to manage the data centers or the existing existing VMs in some data centers. So in order to manage those VMs, you'll be able to, you can sync here, through which the sync connection, if you establish the sync connection, you will be able to see the existing virtual machines in the data center in this virtual machines. So when you get into this virtual machines, you will be displayed the VMs in the data centers, which we will be able to manage with the Hyper. So this is how we will be able to configure the on-premises and cloud, which can be managed with Hyper. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@cloudassert.com. Thank you.